Hey Unfiltered Experience, thank you so much for having me. My name is Sigourney, also known as Nail Art by Sig, and I do nails. Today I'm going to show you a really easy DIY nail art technique, and all you need to execute is a bobby pin. So go find one and let's have some fun. First, let's start off with some base coat. What the base coat's going to do is prevent any staining from the nail polish, and it's also going to ensure wearability. It's super important that when you apply the base coat, you paint the free edge. All that really means is that you're painting the tip. Just like that. Then the fun part, the color. For today's look, I'm using OPI's Miro Mural on the Wall. This is from OPI's Spring 2020 Mexico City collection. What I really love about this color is that it is a beautiful jelly shade, which means it's super buildable. So while it looks sheer in the first coat, you get a much richer opacity with a second and even third coat if that's your jam. When you're painting your nail, it's super important that you get as close to the cuticle as possible, pull the color down the center, then left, right, and again capping that free edge to prevent any premature chipping. If you make any mistakes, you can easily wipe them away with some nail polish remover and some cotton swabs. Now we're going to grab a piece of foil and load it up with the second color. For this, I'm using Corralling Your Spirit Animal and a bobby pin. Dip that bobby pin in your palette and lightly apply some dots. Super important not to use a lot of pressure when you're doing this, otherwise you dent your base shades. Nail polish does evaporate, so it's super important to reload your palette with some fresh color and continue to apply the dots. Keeping again that really light pressure. Reloading once more to finish on my thumb. Placement's totally up to you and how you're feeling, can be uniformed or sporadic. And then finally, we're going to finish with some top coat. Super important not to finish this top coat because this will allow for a really high glossy finish, but it'll also ensure wearability. And that's how you create a really beautiful, easy manicure at home. Hope you guys like this look.